hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? Hello, my shining stars. Welcome back to the channel Kids Learning Launch by Angel. So, next sound which ends with UB. UB. Words with sounds ends with UB. U, A, B, B. U, A, B, B. Up, B. Up, B. Up. Up, B. Up, B. Up. Let's check out the words. T, T, A, B. Tub. T, A, B. Tub. Always just recall the sound of the letter and then just try to join and blend the letters with each other. T, A, B. Tub. Very good. Next word. CL. This is the blend. K, L, cl. K, L, cl. A, B, ab. Club. K, L, cl. A, B, ab. Club. Let's check out the next one. C. Again. K, K, K. A, B. Cup. Cub. Cub. Good. Very good. Keep learning. Keep learning. Are you enjoying the videos? Very good. Don't forget to like and comment on my videos. Okay? Shh. S-H. Shh. This is a diagram. Shh. R. Shh. R. A. B. Shrub. Shrub. Good. Very good. Next. S. A. B. Sub. S. A. B. Sub. C-H-E-R-U-B. Ch. C-H. Ch. E-R. B. Chub. 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 Very good. Very nice. Next. R. R. A. B. Rub. R. A. B. Rub. Great. Keep learning.